Hello friends, welcome to Vitish Academy, and today in this presentation we are going to solve an example on linear functions. So here we have to draw the graphs of the equations y is equal to x plus 2, y is equal to 2x plus 2 and y is equal to minus x plus 2. So here we observe that the y-intercept of all the equations is equal to 2. And now let us learn here some important features of such types of equations when the y-intercept of all the equations are equal. So first, let us consider the first equation y is equal to x plus 2 and find the ordered pairs with the help of the table. So here we have the three rows. The first and second row gives the values for x and y, and in the third row we are going to write the ordered pairs for the values of x and y. So let us consider the value of x as 1. Then we get here the y value just by substituting in the equation y is equal to x plus 2. So on substituting we get here y is equal to 1 plus 2. That implies on adding we get here 3 as the value of y. So we get here the ordered pair as 1, 3. Now let us consider the x value as 0. So what would be the y value here? So we get here the y value as y is equal to 0 plus 2. So on adding we get the y value as 2. Then we get the next ordered pair here as 0, 2 for the x value as 0 and y value as 2. Now let us consider the x value as minus 4. Then we get here the y value as minus 4 plus 2. So on simplifying we get here minus 4 plus 2 as minus 2. So here for the value of x as minus 4 and the y as minus 2 we get the ordered pair as minus 4, minus 2. Now let us consider the other equation y is equal to 2x plus 2. Let us find here the values of x and y with the help of a table. So here we are going to assume the different values for x and find the corresponding y values. So if we take here the x value as 0, then we get the y value by substituting in the equation y is equal to 2x plus 2. So we get here y as 2 into 0 plus 2. That implies we get 2 into 0 as 0 plus 2. So on adding here 0 plus 2, we get 2 as the value of y. And now let us consider the x value as minus 3. Then we get here the y value as 2 into minus 3 plus 2. So that implies on multiplying here 2 and minus 3 we get minus 6 plus 2. And here minus 6 plus 2 would come as minus 4 as the value of y. Now if we take the x value as 1, then we get the y value as 2 into 1 plus 2. So we get here 2 into 1 as 2 plus 2. So on adding here 2 and 2, we get here 4 as the result. So now let us write here the ordered pairs. So here we have the value of x as 0 and y as 2. Then we get the ordered pair as 0, 2. And here for the value of x as minus 3 and the value of y as minus 4, we get the ordered pair as minus 3, minus 4. And here we get the last ordered pair as 1, 4 for the x and y values. And now let us consider the other equation y is equal to minus x plus 2. Now let us draw a table over here in order to find the ordered pairs. So here we have two rows. The first row gives the values for x and the second row gives the values for y. So if we consider the x value as 2, then we get the y value just by substituting in the equation y is equal to minus x plus 2. So on replacing here the x value as 2, we get minus 2 plus 2. So we can cancel over here minus 2 and plus 2 and we get here the value as 0. Now if we take the x value as 0, then y value would be minus 0 plus 2. That implies we get here 2 as the value of y. And now let us consider the x value as minus 2. Then we get here the y value as minus of minus 2 plus 2. That implies we get minus into minus 2 as 2 plus 2, which would come as 4. So the three ordered pairs here we get as 2, 0, and the next ordered pair would be 0, 2, and the last ordered pair would come as minus 2, 4. And now let us represent all these three graphs in a graph sheet. So here we have considered the scale of x and y axis as 2 units. Now let us mark the ordered pairs of the first equation y is equal to x plus 2. So here we have the first ordered pair as 1, 3. So we get a point somewhere here for the ordered pair 1, 3. And then we have the next ordered pair as 0, 2. So this would be a point on the y-axis where 2 lies. And then we have the next ordered pair as minus 4, 2. So we get a point over here in the third quadrant. Now let us join all these points. So we get a straight line for the equation y is equal to x plus 2. Now let us mark the ordered pairs of the other equation y is equal to 2x plus 2. So here we have the first ordered pair as 0, 2. So it would be a point on the y-axis. And then we have the next ordered pair minus 3, 4. So we get a point somewhere here. And then let us mark a point over here in the first quadrant for the ordered pair 1, 4. Now by joining all these points, we get a straight line for the equation y is equal to 2x plus 2. And now let us mark the ordered pairs for the last equation y is equal to minus x plus 2. Here we have the first ordered pair as 2, 0. So it would be a point on the x-axis. And then we have the next ordered pair as 0, 2. So we get a point on the y-axis over here where 2 lies. And then we have the last ordered pair as minus 2, 6. So we get a point over here in the second quadrant. Now by joining all these points, we get a straight line for the equation y is equal to minus x plus 2. And now here I would like to discuss some important features of these graphs. So here we observe that the slopes of every equation is different. And here y-intercepts of all these equations is equal to 2. And the straight line of all these equations intersect at one common point, which is 0, 2. So this was a basic introduction on how to solve an example on linear functions. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to VTishAcademy.com and refer to more videos on our channel VTishAcademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.